When we talk about women and women empowerment, it's not about, asking men, give us that particular strength so that we can strive hard and achieve that particular success. Above all, men or a woman both have to understand each other. We have to strengthen each other and together make this place a very beautiful place. And I believe that we all together can do it. It's we all together, meaning all women together? No. Men and women together.
The award for our Goan women achievers was a dream turned into reality. अगर ख्वाब बड़े हों और जिद पे अड़े हों, तो क्या कुछ हासिल नहीं हो सकता? The whole process of putting up this evening and getting the dazzling and deserving women here today takes us a process of 6 months. But I'm happy that after all the grilling, we have some amazing women from the age of 40 to 70 plus.